It's my weekly Friday video where I get the opportunity to celebrate you as the fierce, intentional, resilient, and empowered woman that you are. The learning curve is over. You know why I say the learning curve is over? Because after 50, it's time for us to do what we got to do in order to keep moving forward. The learning curve is over. Yes, we may still be learning new things, but there's something inside of us that's pushing us and urging us to get something done. That's because that something is saying, now take action, now do the thing, now move into it, even if you don't feel like you know everything that you need to know. Do you remember once upon a time when we were learning how to do stuff when we were younger, and it didn't matter that we didn't know everything that we needed to know? We used to just jump in with both feet and do the very thing. Now we have this innate fear that's telling us if we do the thing that we're gonna fail. Well, you know what? When we were younger, we used to do the thing and get back up and try it a different way. We knew that we had to go through that learning curve in order for us to become proficient in the very thing that we were trying to do. Now that we're over 50, we're scared to death to move through the learning curve and to take action. The learning curve is over. It's time for us to do the very thing that we're trying to do, to take action, to move forward. We got to know that it's equally important for us to apply the knowledge that we have and to take action right now. We got to start setting some priorities and planning, ladies, so that we can set some real goals, so that we can achieve the things that we want in our lives. We got to get some time management in place so that we're not wasting time during the day. Remember I was talking about butterflying around before? Now we want to use time management when we work for ourselves to create the things that we're trying to create for ourselves. And then we want to break things into actionable steps so they don't seem so freaking overwhelming on the things that we're trying to do and trying to accomplish. Everything that you want to do is right there. All you got to do is move out of the learning curve and start taking some action so that you can start doing things right now. I look forward to speaking to you every Friday just so that we can get excited about our dreams and start moving forward to do the things that we really want to do. Because I don't know about you, but I'm not ready to age with grace. I want to age with power, and I want you to join me. So I look forward to speaking to you every Friday, and I'll talk to you again next week for the next episode of Fierce Feminine Fridays. Have an amazing weekend, and love and fight.